Data privacy is an important part of our lives. With almost all of our data being digitized, data privacy has become the need of the hour. A single company today possesses personal information of millions of customers or even more. Online shopping, forms, competitions, apps, games, and there are many more ways in which we can give out our personal information. Sometimes we don't even realize, and our location services are on and various apps are recording our location. So, how do we ensure that our data is not misused? The answer is data privacy. What is data privacy? Data privacy or information privacy is a branch of data security which concerns itself with the proper handling of data, consent, notice, and regulatory obligations. More specifically, practical data privacy concerns often revolve around whether or how data is shared with third parties, how data is legally collected or stored, regulatory restrictions such as GDPR, HIPAA, GLBA, or CCPA, which are laws and regulations put in place by governments and by industries to protect personal data. In the digital age, we typically apply the concept of data privacy to critical personal information, also known as personally identifiable information and personal health information. This can include social security numbers, health and medical records, financial data including banking account and credit card numbers, and even basic but still sensitive information such as full names, addresses, and birth dates. Why is data privacy important? Data is one of the most important assets a company has. With the rise of the new data economy, companies invest enormous value in collecting, sharing, and using data. Social media giants such as Google, Facebook, and Amazon have built empires on this new data economy. Transparency in how business request consent, design, and abide by the privacy policies and manage the data they have collected is vital to build trust and accountability with the customers. Many companies have faced legal suits against them for violation of privacy policies. Therefore, if you're into any kind of online business, then data privacy should be definitely one of your top priority. We as individuals have a lot at stake whenever we use any online platform for whatever reasons and give up personal information. Today, it is practically impossible to remove our online footprints. A hack or data breach could lead to leakage of information such as personal details, bank details, etc. We have a right to privacy, therefore we should be aware about privacy policies of any company with which we are about to be linked. How can our data be misused? Nowadays, companies provide with an opt-out option for consumers to see what personal data is being collected. But if we opt out, does it mean that companies will stop collecting our data? Well, we can't really be sure of that. When it comes to personal data, it's extremely difficult to identify unlawful collections among legitimate collections because multiple factors need to be considered, including the context in which the data is being collected, the methodology used to obtain user consent, and country-specific laws. Also, it's almost impossible to know if a user data is being misused within company bounds or in business-to-business interactions. Despite ongoing public outcry to protect online privacy, last year we witnessed the Cambridge Analytica scandal in which a third-party company was gathering personal information of millions of Facebook users and was using it in political campaigns. Earlier this year, both Amazon and Apple were reported to be using human annotators to listen to personal conversations recorded via their respective digital assistants, Alexa and Siri. How could we protect our data? As a consumer, you don't have all that much control over how companies are storing your data and how well they're keeping it private. That being said, there are a number of easy steps you can take that can improve the privacy of your data. A good first step is to familiarize yourself with the privacy tools that are available. This means at minimum a VPN to encrypt your internet connection and a password manager to improve the security of your online accounts. Use multi-factor authentication for additional layers of security and to make sure important accounts aren't easily hacked if the passwords are cracked. Preferably use non-SMS based MFA options. Many online companies now offer multi-factor authentication for free, so request that they implement that on your account. Backup data often. If data storage is ever compromised, you'll have the best chance of hanging on to that if you have a secure backup. Keep an eye for strange requests, spelling or grammar mistakes, flashy clickbait content, and other things that may seem off. Ensure that you have a good antivirus system on your devices so that your data is safe. Read the privacy policies of various online platforms before engaging with them or giving any personal information out. To conclude all of this, we can say that data privacy is very important and both consumers and producers should be careful about how they share their data. Well, that's all for this video. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Explified. Also, do press the bell icon. Bye.